Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change the timing belt on a Chevrolet Cruze. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, like a torque wrench and a complete timing belt kit. Safety is key, so disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Then, carefully remove the engine cover and any other parts that might obstruct your view or access to the timing belt area. Now, let's get to the belt itself. You'll need to support the engine properly, then remove the passenger side engine mount. Next, take off the serpentine belt and the crankshaft pulley. After that, you can carefully remove both the upper and lower timing belt covers, which will fully expose the timing belt. With the old belt exposed, it's time for the replacement. First, make sure your engine's timing marks on the camshaft and crankshaft are perfectly aligned. Then, loosen the tensioner and carefully remove the old timing belt. Now, install the new timing belt, ensuring it's correctly routed and has the proper tension. You're almost done. Reinstall all the components you removed, working in reverse order. Make sure to torque all bolts to their manufacturer-specified settings for safety and reliability. Finally, start your engine and listen carefully. It should run smoothly without any unusual noises, confirming a successful timing belt replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.